In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lusha to extract LinkedIn contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in Lusha to find people who work at LinkedIn and reveal their verified contact details, all in a clear, repeatable flow. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Lusha dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Search. This takes you into Lusha's prospecting workspace, where you can find contacts across companies and roles. Next, open the Filters panel. Filters are the key to narrowing a massive database down to just the people you care about. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on company-based prospecting, so scroll to the Companies section. Inside that area, choose the company name filter. You'll see a field where you can type the exact organization you want to target. Type LinkedIn into the company name field. Lusha may show multiple entries that look similar, including regional entities or subsidiaries. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the official company listing that matches your intent. A quick check of the domain and company size can help you avoid lookalikes. When you see the correct option, click the checkbox next to it. That checkbox confirms you want to limit results to people who work at that company. As soon as it's selected, Lusha will refresh your prospect list to show only contacts that match your filter. From the refreshed results, pick a contact you'd like to learn more about and click Show Details. This opens a richer view of the profile where you can review job title, seniority, department, and other helpful context. If you're building a targeted outreach list, this is the perfect place to quickly qualify whether someone fits your ideal audience before you spend a credit. When you're ready to access direct lines, click Show Emails and Phones. Lusha will reveal the available email addresses and phone numbers for that contact. Keep in mind that revealing contact information typically uses credits, so prioritize the profiles that best match your goals. If some details don't appear, it can mean they aren't available for that person or your plan limits have been reached. That's the full flow. Go to the dashboard, open search, apply the company name filter for LinkedIn, select the correct listing, review a contact's details, and then reveal emails and phones. Use these steps to build a focused list, stay organized, and always follow your organization's outreach and compliance guidelines. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you practice this process.